Good. And lie down on your side. Maybe I'll do this one. Yeah. Lie down on your side. Then you can see that you can do the same with just one section of the body. We take the shoulder and the hand, the elbow, the arm, and we start doing it with it. So first you can just put it on the floor and try to propel or the hand. It's like we once had an image of rolling monkey. A monkey that is rolling on the floor this way and this way. And see what happens to the elbow, to the shoulder. And then you can try to lead from the elbow. So the elbow is taking you forward, backwards, up and down. Yeah. The monkey can roll, it can be dragged, slide on the floor, and it can be also a leaning point. Try to see how you can lean into the hand and ride or propel or the elbow. So there's a talk between the hand, the leaning point in the hand, and the shoulder, and obviously the body as well. Good. Until you get to the shoulder. So I can start with just rolling the shoulder. I can do it where the hand is just lying down. I can do it where it's lying on the body, rolling only the shoulder. Try to roll only the shoulder as much as possible because the body is reacting. The body is moving, but I'm trying to give it maybe even contra with the body. Forward and backwards, down and up. Circling. Bigger circle. You can connect the hand to the shoulder. So the hand is leaning into the shoulder and the elbow is leading. You can connect, while connecting the hand to the shoulder, you can lead with the hand. Good. Until you connect the wrist of your hand to the forehead. And there you can roll them together. And see that sometimes the hand is rolling the head, and sometimes the head is rolling the hand. But they are connected. They are touching unseparately. Roll it and see that it goes to places that you didn't visit before, and you can rest there. Make a station, go beyond. Good. Don't forget to take the chin closer to the body and far away. I can float the head, maybe even help with the hand here. Float the head, and its weight is taking me here and there. Yeah. Yeah. You can float it a lot. So good. See that the hand can lean from upwards into the body to make the spine move, to make the vertebrae move. So I'm going into the body, inside. It goes backwards and forwards, but it's not only backwards and forwards, it's down and up. Maybe even do it with both hands. You can see eventually the pelvis has to roll, the legs have to roll. Here and here and good. And on the other side, with fast. So again, the hand is propelling, monkey is rolling, elbow is leading the way, hand is leading the way, hand is sliding, hand is leaning, shoulder, hand on the whole arm is on the body and only the shoulder is rolling. Again, the body is reacting, but I'm trying, yes, to move only the shoulder at first. And then freestyle. Yeah. The arm has a weight, and if you are taking it to different places, it will take the body after it. So I'm moving the body using the hand's weight, until I find myself connecting the wrist to the head, and immediately I start to roll, and I can float the head. Good. Into the vertebrae. Very nice. Good. And just lie on your back. See the difference, the different body parts. Feel the vibration inside. Yeah. Very nice. Thank you very much, guys. Sorry for being late and for the short class, but I think it was still very good. You're all there? Ah, yes.
זה היה ממש נהדר, נמרוד.
יש, איזה כיף.
לי.
מעולה, very good.
נמרוד, יש לך זמן לשאלה?
שאלה קצרה, כן.
כן. אם נגיד נורא כואב הגוף, ונגיד ויש שיעור כזה שהוא נכנס מהר, אז איך כאילו הגוף לא הקשיב לי, לא היה מוכן לשתף איתי פעולה.
תלכי איתו. ברור. כמובן שכאילו, אוקיי, ברור את יודעת, המורה רץ קדימה, את יודעת איך זה, זה כמו בשיעור עם אילן, שבסופו של דבר הולכת לכל מיני פינות שהוא בכלל לא בהן, אבל הוא כן בהן. וזה בסדר, זה בסדר גמור, וזה גם בסדר ההופכי, שפתאום זה מתלבש עלייך, ואת יודעת, אם אילן פתאום ניגש אלייך ואומר, לא, אבל תעשי ככה, ואת פתאום מוצאת את עצמך לגמרי מחוץ לקומפורט זון שלך, מעולה. זו, הכל חוקי. זה לא, אין לי תשובה שתגיד לך, תעשי ככה או תעשי ככה.
כן.
ברור, לא? מעולה. אבל את יכולה להמשיך עכשיו, עוד איזה כמה דקות בקצב שמתאים לך.
כן, אני אעשה. כאילו לוקח זמן להתניע כזה.
כן, ברור. יופי.
תודה רבה.
בכיף, אני נכנס לטיפול.
אוקיי.
Enjoy the day and I'll see you soon.
ביי ביי.
ביי.
ביי.